let's practice. So circuit was given, and the question is that please find out the Thevenin equivalent circuits. Okay, so here in order to find out the Thevenin equivalent circuits, we need to find out the voltage source and resistance. So one voltage source and one resistance. So RT and VT and the other end. This is the Thevenin equivalent circuits. So we need to find out VT, RT. So first, VT, the Thevenin voltage, which means that open circuit voltage, which means that positive and negative end, we wanna find out the open circuit voltage. So here, original circuits, take a look at it, and one voltage source and two resistance connected in series. Now current will flow because this is voltage source. So current flow and pass through the one resistance and then pass through the other resistance. How about the other end? Current will not go this end. So which means that current flowing only going down and going this way or the other way, but the other way current cannot flow it because this is open. So which means that current will flow in this direction only. Alright, so now those two resistance connected in series, am I right? So now voltage division occurs. So now kinds of 2-to-1 ratio, which means that voltage divisions occurs 10 volts and 5 volts, which means that 2-to-1 ratio. So which means that open circuit voltage is 5 volts. So now open circuit voltage 5 volts according to the voltage division. And the next, we are interested in short circuit. Second step is short circuit. So what will you do? In order to find out the short circuit current, you need to connect it with short circuit. So now here, so connect two terminal, and this current will be ISC. Alright, so now here, then current will flow in this directions because this is voltage source. So current will flow in this direction and split into going down or go to the short circuit. I already explained it. This is the branch. So circuit divided into the two, split into the two, but currents cannot flow into the resistance because this is resistance is 50 ohm, and the other circuit there is no resistance, which means that R equals 0, which means that current will go only this directions. Current will not go in this direction. No. So no current, which means that R equals 0 in this circuit. So again, these ones can be redraw it, positive and negative, and one circuit, and the other ones going down and return it. And this circuit is kind of open because current open circuit because current will not go in this way. Alright, so this current is a short circuit current, 100 ohms and 15s. So now short current can be calculated by Ohm's law. So V over R and V voltage is 15 voltage and the resistance is 100, so 0.15 amp. That is short circuit current. So now we find out the short circuit current. How much is it? 0.15 amp. So based on two information, you can calculate the RT. How much is it? RT can be calculated by the Ohm's law, so which means that V over I short circuits, so 5 volts and 0.15, so that value is about 153, something like that. So ohm. So here that one is 33.3 ohm and that one is 5 volts, so you create it. Okay, another way you can find out the resistance too by using zeroing method. So if we apply the zeroing method, so now here we can apply the zeroing method. So now then this circuit is kind of short circuit. Alright, so now here going down, and this open circuits, so this voltage is going to the 0, which means that short circuits. So now this circuit's two parallel, so which means that's similar to like these circuits. Okay, which means that two resistance connected in parallel, so 100 ohm and 50 ohm, so you can calculate the equivalent resistance, which means that 1 over plus 1 over 100, 1 over 50, so which means that this one is 100. So this equivalent 100 over 3, so so you can find out the Thevenin resistance by using the zeroing method or short circuit method. Either you can use it. Okay, here is solutions that I did, and you can take a look at it.